Good morning, students. Time for some experiments. I have a special task for you. Please welcome Gray Derpy. Your challenge is to make a potion which will turn Gray Derpy into normal Derpy.
What is wrong with him?
Your challenge is to make a potion which will turn Gray Derpy into normal Derpy. How do we do that?
Here you go, Mira.
The chemicals are ready. You need to...
Okay, Derpy is blue, right? Okay. Derpy is blue, right? So blue liquid.
I will add a personal touch with some pink. This should be enough. Let's mix this. Professor, I think my potion is ready.
Corsto, there is only one way to find out. Drink it, Derpy.
Well, I think this is a success.
This is not correct. You failed! This is wrong! I give you an F!
But I followed the topic. I did it just like you said. It still looked good, at least to me. It's okay. Don't worry, Mira. You'll do better next time. I believe in you.
I will show how it's done. Bring the formulas to me, Professor. Oh, you seem very excited, aren't you? Oh, this is more chemicals than I thought. I hope I can mix this properly. Almost done! I wouldn't be surprised if Abby turned himself into a cat. Oh no! Not in the potion! This doesn't seem safe, but at least it's finished! Oh, Derpy, it's nice for you. I'm not supposed to show this! This is not supposed to do this! This is a disaster! You failed! This is an F!
He said he has so many colors. I bet he'll make a mess. Look at him trying so hard.
Okay, I have a secret ingredient. Ketchup!
Oh, I think it's a genius move.
Here you go, Derby.
Oh, you failed!
I am such a loser.
These guys are amateurs. Look at them, what a mess. Yes, a perfect black smoke.
This is vile. My stomach hurts. Oh my God, too much smell. I can't handle it. I think I'm gonna die.
This potion is ready.
I'm charged up!
Run! Get away from me! Help! The cat is huge! I wish I didn't fort. The stupid mess is all because of Gnu. Rumi, I need your help.
I destroy everything!
Oh no, that's right behind me. Gotcha! You can't escape me. Whoa, let me go. This is my favorite student. I have to save them.
I have to help them make a potion.
Here is the equipment.
Hey, Durbert, you are blue again. He is not the only one who turned blue.
You got to help me.
You are a nice little kitty. That's what you deserve for being a bully. And now you are a hairy cat. I hope you like it, haha. You are a hero to school. Oh, thank you so much, guys. I wanted to help you. You are my friends. This school might not be so bad after all.
Don't dream of winning, Rumi. Winning is fair play, Mira. You won't step on that stage. I'll make sure you regret ever entering this competition. You won't even have a chance to step on that stage. Mama, Mama! Mama!
It's okay, Rumi. We'll fix this.
Mommy, Mira said she doesn't care about the rules. She said winning is everything.
My little star, a victory built on lies is no victory at all. We win with our talent and meanness.
I hate Rumi. She's too honest.
Do whatever it takes to win. Break rules if needed.
Time to make our move.
Now it's our time. Let's show them.
They've gone out for dinner. Their house is empty.
Now it's our time. Don't waste time. Move fast.
5 minutes. Destroy everything that glitters.
Stop. This shine ends tonight.
Try walking to the stage now, Rumi.
No outfit, no victory.
Good. Without this car, they will lose.
Now no one can stop us from winning. They will lose for sure. Tomorrow is our big day. Let's check our perfect outfits.
Our dreams! Everything is gone!
They think they've destroyed us, but we are the Golden Family. This is not how our story ends.
Mommy says honesty and hard work win. I won't let them steal our dream. I have to do something. Oh, yes! Now I can make my family. Yes, can.
Oh, magic. I found it. This is it. I can save our show. We aren't losers yet.
Hello? I need paint!
Who's there?
Please, I need help.
Colors can change the world if you use them right.
Look, I found a way. We can fix the car, the shoes, and the dresses. If we all shine together, nothing. Let's turn these stains into golden stars.
The Golden Family doesn't give up. Let's create a masterpiece together.
Let's turn these stains into golden stars.
The family doesn't give up. Let's create a masterpiece together.
Look at the crowd, Abby. The Silver family is the only one left on the stage.
A flawless performance. The Silver Family gets a strong score of 9. One more entry. Please welcome the Golden Family.
How is this even possible? Why are they here?
I don't know, Mira. This doesn't make any sense.
Gold never loses its shine, Mira. We win with our hearts. The Golden Family stays together no matter what.
Unbelievable.
This is pure art and passion. They are transparency.
A perfect 10 for the Golden Family.
Truth and honesty always win.
Dark clouds above, the plane shakes and roars, little
let anything happen to you.
Don't be afraid, Lord. Your courage will not choke.
Sparks fly and metal breaks the sky is ablaze. Lord tumbles through chaos, through the stormy haze. No,
Dark clouds above, the plane shakes and roars. Little Lord clings tight, her heart beats like oars. Mommy, I'm scared, she whispers through the smoke. Don't be afraid, Lord, your courage will not choke.
sparks fly and metal breaks the sky is ablaze. Lord tumbles through chaos, through the stormy haze. No, cold and wide.
Alone she lands with her mother's love as guide. Ooh, tiny hands rub sticks, sparks ignite the flame. I can do this, she whispers, calling out her mom's name.
Frozen lake and snowy piles, she learns to drink. Fire warms her tiny hands, she paused to think.
Oh.
Night falls, shadows loom, a black animal near. She cold and wide.
Alone she lands with her mother's love as guide. Ooh, tiny hands rub sticks, sparks ignite the flame. I can do. Mirror, mirror, shining bright. Mama, Mira looks so right. Rumi watches
मामा,
the spark
आप कितनी
because
सुंदर लगती हैं।
Mama, what a surprise.
Mama, should I select my hair first?
Rushing to
Wow, this is so beautiful.
little heart beams. Mama and Rumi chasing dreams.
Look at that, Mama Mia shows a dress just like that. Spin around, rock so bright. Rumi claps with pure delight.
Secrets hiding in each curl. Magic moment for the girl. Dresses flowing, colors shine. Never daughter feeling fine.
Hold my hand, don't let go. Together we shine.